So is Ethereum scalable ever?
How would you scale to that? And
Sure.
then after that one, just how would you get that down to 4 seconds?
How would we get that done?
To 4 seconds.
Down to 4 seconds? Yeah, so element one of scalability is that miners can vote to increase the size of blocks, and that's a mechanism that's just starting to be used because it's just starting to be necessary. Element number two is state channels. So you can do a tremendous amount of work off the blockchain where you initialize an interaction on the blockchain, you move some escrow into a smart contract, and then you can finalize it on the blockchain, but you can just move signed transactions out of band for as long as you want. And so this enables basically something like accessing Wi-Fi from a cafe, where I go and I set up the transaction, click on start, escrow some money in a smart contract that was put there by the cafe owner, and then every minute the interface keeps sending a new signed transaction, giving that cafe owner more control over the escrowed money. So that's a huge mechanism that's starting to be used on Ethereum applications. We're moving to proof of stake, as we discussed. Proof of stake will give us about 1.5 orders of magnitude in transaction throughput gains. So move us up to around 200, 300 transactions per second. Beyond that, and again, a bunch of proof of concepts have been built. We're moving from one Ethereum blockchain to initially 80 sharded Ethereum blockchains. These shards will be kept consistent via a couple of different mechanisms, basically cryptographic receipts and Merkle proofs. And so in current blockchain systems, any blockchain system basically, if you add new compute, you increase the security of the network, but you reduce the transactional throughput on the network just a tiny bit because you've got more overhead costs. When you shard a network, you can add a whole bunch of compute and create a new shard, and you're quasi-linearly increasing transaction throughput. That will get us to infinite scalability if we have infinite compute to add to that network. Proof of stake takes us down to about 4 seconds, we believe. And we'll be able to get do much better than that over time. Let's go way back.